another one to go. Getting set up for this one here. I already started draining this one. Took the gasket loose. Just had to stop and show you what I'm doing. Gases are loose. It's coming from back there. It's a good thing, all praises, that it has a more up-to-date gas dial on it. So I was able to just turn it off instead of try to fight with it like the older ones. This is how the water's coming up at an angle. That's the cold water. Then they looped back down to drop it right into the tank. I removed the flute, top part of the flute. So that's loose, and I also got the hot water here, hot water line. So I'm jumping up and coming down into the top. So I gotta figure out something what to do with that, and also this blow off here, or relief valve here. I don't know if you can see that. It was hard piped again like the others, with just a single 3/4 line coming up instead of your usual 2-inch trap with a bell hole on it. And this one here is just steady pipe. I don't know if you can see that. That's a T going into the wall. I don't know what I'm doing with that, but I had to cut it right there. Cut that so I can get it loose so I can turn it.